Most seasonings just sit on the surface, but salt works differently, and if you're using it like everything else, you're not getting the full flavor. If you think about it, salt is the only seasoning that actually penetrates deep into the meat. But here's the part nobody talks about. It only works when you give it time. You see, salt is water soluble. It dissolves and travels through the moisture inside the meat. Garlic, paprika, onion, pepper, they don't. They just stay on top. If you throw all your seasonings on at once and toss it straight on the grill, you're blocking the salt from doing its job. Here's what I do, and it changed everything. I salt first. That's right, just salt. Then I let it sit a few hours if I'm short on time, or overnight if I want deep flavor. And then right before I grill, I layer on the flavor. Garlic, onion, pepper, paprika. Those are surface seasonings. They pop more after the salt has done its work. If your rub ever looks wet or clumpy, your surface is too moist. Give it a few minutes to dry or gently pat it down before adding your rub. And here's a bonus tip for you. If you're watching your salt intake, here's what you can do. Use a light amount of salt early, just enough to open up the flavor, then load up on the bold salt-free ingredients like citrus zest, fresh herbs, garlic, vinegar, or smoked paprika. If you want to build flavor with precision, grab our Ultimate Seasoning Guide. It has over 100 ingredients, pairing charts, and tips on when and how to use each one. No fluff, just real results. Salt isn't just another spice, it's a technique. Once you master the timing, you'll taste the difference every time you grill. Now that you understand how to use salt, you might be wondering, what's the next step to level up your seasoning game? Well, it all starts with watching this video right here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be even more powerful. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.